Hi everybody and welcome. Today's theme is awareness. So I've built a pattern around that. It's a little bit longer than usual, but it's not more complicated than usual. There's a lot of space in here. So the first thing that we're going to play is ding, good trusty ding, ding. And then we're going to move straight over here to note 1 and 2. Right, ding, chord. And then here we'll play a little knock or attack, whatever you like. I like to play a knock here with the knuckle closest to my fingernail. But you could also play whatever you like the sound of. And then on the and of the 4, I'm going to play another ding. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Ooh, there's where the awareness comes in. It's not where you expect it to be, right? You expect this. But it's not, it's just on the offbeat. 2, 3, 4, and. So it's got a little bit of funk. Right? Oops. By the way, if you notice me looking at my notes, they're placed very far away from me. It's the notation that I kind of planned ahead of time, so if you want access to the notation for Handpanuary this year, you can find it on my Patreon. You'll also find a beautiful community of Handpanuary people over there as well. You can join the WhatsApp group there. Anyway, so we're actually going to move chord every time, every bar. So we've got this one, and then we move up a little bit, so we're playing note 3 and note 2 and 4. Right? It's nice and happily placed there, so I like to play that with one hand, but you can play that with 2. Right? And then we've got this chord, which is note 3 and 5. But actually we only do it one time each. So we've got, sorry. Notice that I'm switching hands for ease here. You can play whatever hands you want because we've got all of the space in between to do whatever we want with it. I'm using my left so that I can use my right for that chord on this side. So actually, yeah. This chord happens 2 times, so once, twice, like this. This idea, this pattern. So the first time it will look exactly like that, and then the second time it will look almost exactly the same, but the last 2 times, instead of going here, we go here. So it's got that sense of closure on chord 1. So that second time will look like this. Hear how that lands home? So when we put those 2 parts together, here's the full pattern. Second time. Yeah, back to the beginning. Second time. want to start filling space, you can. Oops. Change the bass line if you've got an extended instrument. I didn't like that bass line. I'm going to try something else. Yeah. Amazing how much just changing a bass note can completely change the feel of where your pattern is going, like the direction and the feeling of that pattern. So experiment with that. If you just keep it simple to the earlier version, that's also amazing. Yeah, and I'll leave you to your practice now for however long you need, and then I will see you tomorrow.